Hi everybody, it's Katrina. I'm out here today starting my Easter sales. So this is my day one out here, and I've set my table up. I forgot my banner, but I'll have it tomorrow. It was a little bit windy today too, so made me a little bit nervous. But here on my table here, I have all my small baskets in the front. And this particular table, I went from small, and behind those I've set the medium baskets. And then I started putting my large baskets on this table here. These are my large and premium baskets. And then I have my school bags on the ground in the front. And I use my tarp there to keep those clean when I have to set them down. Today was a good day. I'm not complaining at all. I did enjoy being out there. I was out there for about 4 hours. And as you can see, I was fighting the clouds because it was supposed to storm today, but for some reason right here where I'm at, the storm clouds just kind of broke away and we're going in different directions. So thank God we didn't get any storm, and it didn't rain on us. I did make some sales today, so I was very happy that I did go. And this is how I've set up the table. So my setup may be a little bit different tomorrow, but as you can see, we had a good day. So thank you for watching. Be blessed and be a blessing.